Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can download and install Audacity on your Windows 11 computer. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type in Audacity Download and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Audacity website, which is the safest place to download the software. Once you open the site, it should automatically take you to the Downloads page. If it doesn't, you can manually click on the Download section from the top navigation menu. Now, select your operating system. In this case, choose Windows, since we're installing it on a Windows 11 computer. After that, scroll down until you find the 64-bit installer option. Most modern computers use 64-bit Windows, so this is usually the correct version. Click on the Download button to begin downloading the installer file. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the Audacity setup file. Double-click on it to open the installer. The installation wizard will now appear. Simply follow the setup steps by clicking Next through the installation screens. After that, click the Install button to start installing Audacity onto your computer. The installation process may take a few minutes depending on your system speed. Once it finishes, click Finish to complete the setup. Now launch Audacity for the first time. You may see a small pop-up window appear when the application opens. You can simply close that pop-up, and now you're ready to start using Audacity. With Audacity, you can record audio, edit voiceovers, remove background noise, and create professional quality sound projects directly on your Windows 11 computer. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.